So basically, the definition of hydrophilic is substances that are attracted to water and are able to dissolve in water. And the definition of hydrophobic is substances that are repelled by water and do not have the ability to dissolve in the water. And the big reason why some substances are hydrophilic and some are hydrophobic is because water is polar. And water is able to attract polar molecules, which then forms hydrogen bonds. And you need those hydrogen bonds in order to interact with water. And an example of a polar substance would be sugar. Sugar is able to dissolve in water. When you put sugar in a beaker with water, it dissolves in the water. An example of a nonpolar substance would be oil. When you put oil in water in a beaker, they separate. They are not able to mix. They are being repelled. And it's the hydrogen bonds that allow the substance to dissolve in the water, which makes it hydrophilic. And the substances that can't form hydrogen bonds, they don't have that ability to interact with water, which then makes it hydrophobic.